Yeah,
There he is, the man.
yeah,
Yo,
go.
yo.
There he is. What up, fool? Boom, auto record, bro. You show up and boom, recording.
All right, what's up, gang? Got in for another full week of trading. I'm pull up the calendar to see if we got any data that's gonna possibly hit us. So let me just
Yo, brother, we got non-farm payroll this week. It could be some choppy sessions.
all right, thank you. Appreciate it, client.
And we got jolts too.
So tomorrow, Fed speaker, okay, Jones. ISM Tuesday, okay, so Tuesday might be Tuesday to Wednesday for sure. Oh man, th Thursdays. All right, so yeah, it could be slightly, yeah, a chop just because we got data every day except for tomorrow. That's what it's looking like. Yep. All right, so let's see what the charts are saying. Okay, so tomorrow might be the only they might just give us regular price action. So all these data stuff comes out. All right, so overall the market did go higher, all-time highs, obviously. Friday on both sides. We did come in bullish. We didn't come in bearish. We've seen that the nine, I'm sorry, SPY was just bouncing off the nine, so that gave us a sign that we could go higher, and we did go higher. And same goes for the Qs. They were both doing the same thing. The nine was being respected to go higher. Now, given to what we just seen with the calendar, they are going to most likely chop us a little bit. Um, Obviously the moves will be hard in the morning, but we don't know if that's gonna be continuation because every day after this stuff coming out. So tomorrow could be the only day possibly we get some normal regular price action because last week, to be honest, last week was almost choppy all week until I'll say Friday. Friday, I think, was the only day that SPY and Qs actually met their ATR, which is $5 to $6 moves, right? All these days right here were like $2 to $3. This day was like $1, if I'm not mistaken. And finally, so let's see for some regular action tomorrow. So, breaker highs. We gotta watch breaker highs to see if we go higher. Um, so for a bounce, I would say around, excuse me, 510.50, like 510.50 around there for a bounce, which is the top of these candles right here, the wicks basically. So if we get there and see some reaction, some bounce action, then most likely it's gonna try to bounce up. But I'm not bearish to be honest. Obviously, I'm not gonna be bearish. The market's still ripping. Q is the same thing. Just wait for the highs. If we do retrace, I would just wait for a 50% pullback on that daily candle to see how it's going to react, if we're going to really pull back or potential for a bounce play. But RSI on both of these things is bullish, MACD as well. Everything's bullish. All right. Now let's go to Apple and the rest of the names. What? I got a live beat. All right, let's go. A morning star on Apple, ladies and gents. Could this be it finally? The reversal? I don't know. So confirmation is above reclaiming on the 200. So Apple gets above 181.15. I will go calls. All right, Microsoft. Microsoft looks strong too. So we spoke about Microsoft on Thursday, right? Going into Friday. We drew this trend line and look, it broke. So if we could get above my alert, then yeah, we should definitely go higher. We should test these price levels, but bullish on Microsoft too. Mac and RSI look good on Microsoft as well, man. Netflix bullish in golfing. Wow. Nice move on Fridays. Steve loves Netflix on Fridays. So there you go. Nice move on Friday. Matter they all look strong. All of them. Matter two all-time highs. If it pulls back, it's probably gonna pull back 495. If you get there, just watch it, see if some type of bounce is gonna happen. I'll pull the trigger on 500 calls if I were you. The RSI and Mac look good too, so nothing to worry on that. Netflix is obviously stronger because we got increased Mac and it's green. This is still pink, so tomorrow could be a 10 change on Meta, just delayed lagging. But Netflix looks fire, bullish engulfing on the daily. Amazon, definitely got that wrong. Google. Google. Wow. Google looks very, not very bearish, but it's giving me downside vibes because look at the pole that is stuck to the downside, right? And it's kind of like a ugly little bear flag going on here. It can't get above this 130, let's just say 139. It can't get above there, basically. So if you do get above that, then it should try to crack the 90 in May to try to go higher. But it does look a little heavy. Look, even the RSI looks a little heavy. MACD, still, yeah. I would just be ready for both sides. I don't know why this looks heavy when everything else looks good. Put two levels you should watch right there. The downside, upside right there. Amazon, right? Amazon's crazy ones. 3 days of green already on Amazon. I had this alert and it ripped that alert and it went from 175 to 178. Not that bad. So we still look strong. Yeah. If I think it's gonna pull back possibly around here. Right here for pullback entry. Just because it's 3 days, I don't know if it's gonna be another big blue candle. Usually doesn't work like that. Usually the already broke highs, usually you get some type of pullback. I think that's where you get in. But surprisingly, Google looks bearish, guys. I don't know. Out of all the ones that I've been talking about. That's it after Tesla, right? The Apple, Amazon, Netflix. Yeah, this is the last one. Everybody in. I'm in some calls. I'm in Tessie calls for next week. Nice flag build, right? We're holding above the 9 and 21. So Tesla could be definitely staying above this gap fill area and start trying to hit these prices over here. If that happens, if we start breaking excuse me, if we do break this 50 over here, there's a strong possibility Netflix is going to try to go to 220 by the end of the week. So keep that in mind. Yeah, I like Netflix. I mean, sorry, Netflix. Tesla, sorry. Tesla, yeah, Tesla, definitely bullish. I like it. All right, let's talk about some names. Talk about GME. Talk about XPeng. See how these look. Look at the candle GME put on Friday. Okay, might be a ripper this week, so keep in mind. So watch GME above, what's that? 1535, I'll say. Let me see. 1535. Yeah. MACD, RSI look good, and RSI put a bounce higher, so a higher low bounce, which is good. Um, XPAV, right? XPAV 2-day green, not bad. Nice uptrend on RSI. MACD wants to flicker to the positive side, so that's good. So only thing that's stopping it is right here, this price level. So I could put a watch around here if it's gonna really go higher than 30. I won't be surprised if it opens up higher than that. GE. So I'll talk about GE. We're gonna talk about GE, HC, GE. Mm-mm-mm. Uh, is it gonna go higher? This thing is all gas. It's just, this might be, yeah, this might be the time that it pulls back. So I'll put this as a short. I wouldn't long it. So let's see. It has to go below 157. Honestly, the 158 puts would be the one. Yeah, and this will flush hard if it breaks this. But that's like right where VWAP is. So if it does try to sell below that daily VWAP, it should flush to 57 on the money. So yeah, I would do 158 but because 157 could definitely bounce. But this no longs here, no longs. Same for the other one. This is General Electric Healthcare. Same thing. So I was shorted around under. Yeah, we'll have to go under the 9, which is below 90. So it loses 90, then yeah, we could definitely drop at least to 89 or 88.5 in my opinion. So these are some puts. I'm not gonna be heavy watch on puts. It's just insurance if the market decides to shift. So these don't look like they're upside. GME is the only one out of these three that I've spoken look good for upside. Next, let's talk about these chips, right? Day 2 coming up, hopefully on MU, right? Right, maybe. Let's see. It's already at highs though. That's the thing. So we gotta try to get in on a oof. Jesus. Yeah, we're gonna have to try to get in on a damn, what the hell was that? Shit. We have to try to get in on the pounce on MU. Yeah, okay. There we go. 2022. Wow. 2022 February. We were right there. We in March. We just in March. So what a coincidence. 1 month after 22. All right. So I'm trying to see what we could get here, guys. It looks like it's gonna go. I think it's gonna open higher. Because after there, what's this? This is 96, then 98. Yeah, 6 is gonna be a good level to watch on MU. So we're gonna watch it before it gets to 96. But the way Chips is ripping on Friday, this sucker might open higher. That's just my personal opinion, but it looks strong. Um, Mac, RSI, everything looks good. And could be a little pre-ER thing. I don't know. How far is this ER? It's probably very far. No, March this month. All right. So, oh look, the indicator is right above the wick. What a coincidence. So they rejected that way. So yeah, you gotta crack that to see if it goes high on MU. AMD, what we gonna do with you? Oh my God, it's crazy. It's just printing. Um, it could go one more day. Nothing's weak on no indicator, or no indicator. None of this is weak. Just gotta wait until pull back. Let's see what we can see on the 15th. So this is 15. The bow should be around here. Let's do this. Let's do this right here. I like how this looks on the charts. So 200s again, if you want to get those 200s, I know some of y'all were on it on Friday, the 200 calls. So that'll be a chance to try to get back into 200 calls on the AMD if you really want it. All right, next chip name I want to talk about is Intel. Not completely wrong. UNTC, INTC. Um, this maybe Intel's a lagger. Hopefully it is. So let's see what Intel is looking like. Okay, so Intel is struggling to get above. What the hell? Which? How is this is wrong, guys? I knew I'm like about 50 supposed to be that purple. No, no, it's right. I'm bugging out. I'm bugging. All right. So it looks like it's struggling to get above the 50, right? As you can see, all these candles right here got smacked by the 50. So don't make the trade difficult. Just wait until you get above that. All right. So you gotta wait till we get here to see if Intel's gonna be a ripper. So 44. Let's do 44.85. Yeah. And maybe we could get some strength. I mean, we look good on the RSI and the MACD. All chips is really moving. This one was the only one lagging, I'll say a little bit. Not too much, because obviously it had two green days, but compared to the strength the other names put in, it's definitely considered a weak one. All right, so MU we spoke about already. All right, Coke. Let's see how Coke looks because it's been getting sold off. Fun. 2 days of red on Coke. Okay, let's see what we got. So Coke. All right, so tomorrow we could definitely get bought up on Coke. Look how many times it bounces around this price level. This is one. This is two. Even though it took a couple days, you just had to be patient. It's still a demand level. It held and it went to supply. So we're gonna try to have the same movement. Hopefully tomorrow. The fact that there was a liquidity candle wick right here is good. That means it's respecting. It's 200. So I will watch it above the 50. So I'll put an alert here for you to see if finally starts changing trend because it's on a downtrend for, even though there's one green candle in between those red days, it's still, that's a 4 to 5 day downtrend on the Coke. So potential reversal. All right, fun, right? We got some, I guess, yeah, Vegas, see the fun. So let's see. We in MGM still, so this fun looks good. It looks good. macro break out the resistance right here, and it's over. RSI, MACD, everything's telling me we should go up on this too. It's not an expensive name either, so let's see how it looks back here, guys. 1 second. Okay. So if it breaks my alert, we could go at easily to what? 43.70 area. Then there's another level right above that right here, which is 44.15. So not bad. So like this one. Let's see what else is on the list. Foot Locker. See how Foot Locker looks. SU, energy name. I don't got a lot of names. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Sorry. Okay, so SU energy, right? And Florida, Foot Locker. Oh shoot, Foot Locker has ER approaching. Damn, that's crazy. Ever since Foot Locker ripped this alert, look, it has not. It's fire.
You know what we doing for Foot Locker again, bro?
Foot Locker pre-market too on this week's for Wednesday. Okay, so I like the trend. Don't get me wrong. I like the trend Foot Locker's putting in. It obviously it can't go under the 9. Like the 9 is a trampoline to Foot Locker ever since what's this? February, yeah, beginning of February. The 9 has just been something that's gonna bounce off. So is it gonna happen again? It looks like it because there is like wicks going off this 9 in the recent days. So it's telling me that these buyers don't like it at this level being sold, so they keep bringing it up. So I would watch a level around here on Foot Locker to try to continue for longs, but you got to keep in mind they do have earnings approaching, so they might not give you a move just because they know earnings is Wednesday pre-market, but it looks good to go slightly higher. Even this pivoted away slightly, so it's still bullish. So I'm gonna watch that level on Foot Locker. Let me delete this one because that's old. All right, this energy one, SU, nice volume on Friday. Wow, big volume. So yeah, this could definitely try to break out in this tight channel. Wow, it's trading in this price range for a while. So what we got? August. Wow, August of last year, right? SU just doesn't get out of here. Right here got out slightly, but then reclaimed right back to where it was in August. So we're looking for a breakout of this level finally, this channel. So we're right here. Yeah, right here, the top of those candles. Yeah, I'm gonna put 30, I'll put 35. I'll put 35. All right. So we break these candles, this little ugly double top we got here, then should go higher. Let me see how these indicators over here are looking. Are they looking good? Yeah, Mac looks good. And RSI, so yeah, bullish. I got another energy name, SLB. See how that looks. Uranium. Uranium had a little move. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of mad I missed UEC. But okay, so SLB day 1, green. So this is not a bad one to look. We got the ugly inverse head and shoulder kind of happening here, right? This is the shoulder. This is the head. This is the higher low on the other shoulder, right? So watch above here, I'll say. Let's do 90, sorry, I apologize, 95 cents. Because if it does go to 95 cents, pretty sure it's gonna go to 50. So B looks good. Uranium, URA looks good too. Mac, everything. This is a double bottom happening, but with a high low. We break the 921.50 at the same time. We should see some explosion, some upside movement, I'd say, after being down for a while. This thing has been being up. So, and this is a nice spaced out double bottom too. Look, this is the first one. This could be the second one. So, and look, there's another bounce over here somewhere. So this is where you want to pay attention. All right. M. Got Macy's on this? The hell did I see in this? Let me see. Small account, HL, Hecla Mining. See what's up with these small cap names. We already in rig. Rig moved well. Okay, Macy's, I see it. I see this. Yeah, Macy's looks good for it's right here at this demand zone, basically, like lining up at the top of this resistance. So little resistance turns support, hopefully off this. What was this? Oh, this was a news day. I was like, this was an ER. ER that did not rip like that. This was a news day. Some buyout news, I think, what happened this day. So if we do bounce off of this resistance tomorrow, then we good on Macy's to go higher. So,
Yo, that news is hitting again. Apparently, they raised the valuation for that buyout.
oh wow, I didn't even know that. Thank you, bro. So there you
Yeah,
go. So this is good if it definitely bounces. I will long this maybe like 2-3 weeks. It looks like a great swing in my opinion, because it's at the low from the gap up area channel. So we gapped up here and look, it's at the low already at that area. So this is where you potentially do long it and go a little higher. They might be higher now in the morning with that info Climate just added.
it
Appreciate you.
says it's up 280 right now on Robinhood.
Okay, so there you go. All right, so small account HL, right? So this, if you want it, you gotta put 3 weeks or better. It looks good to go. If I draw a trend line like this, going up, sorry, I'll just draw it. Let me not be a douche. There you go. All right. Okay, either way, you could either just go that way or this way. I think this way is the best because that candle just popped above it. So how many touches we got? We got one. We got two right here. And the third one was here, which it broke out the candle. It has to hold now. What level? It has to hold $3.85 to go long. And these contracts are cheap. So if I was to take this call, if it goes to my alert, it will have to be, I will do 4.5 for the end of the month. I'll do 4.5 for the end of the month, like the last expiration of this month. Next, Morgan Stanley. See how Morgan Stanley looks. Starbuck. Not Starbucks, Starbuck. Yeah, I got 3 more after that. That's it, gang. Not a lot today. I mean, it was a decent amount. We got chips to look at. So MS is holding this 50 nice. This is also like a maybe inverse head and shoulder build like over here with this. I'll call it more of a higher low build because these two line up, so there's no shoulder here. So this bottom, double bottom, right? So we're getting a lower pivot build, in my opinion, here. So I would draw a line like this, right, on the daily and just wait and hold and hawk on MS to make sure it doesn't go under my trend line, right? So this trend line looks good because we got multiple touches. We got 1, 2, 3. So we crack here. Think you're good to go 87.45, right? So SBLK slowly trending up. This is a trend play still. Like 2 days already green. We could get one more day. Yeah, it looks like it could pump. Not crazy though. I don't know if it's gonna be a strong move because of all the data. I don't know if I want to put this on watch for y'all. This is what I'll do. Just to see. Okay, let me see how it looks on the 15th. That pullback. I bet that's better. All right, now it looks a little now. All right, here is what I'm watching. I'm gonna tell y'all why right now. Okay. 24, 20. All right. So I'm gonna take this level for a bounce if possible on SBLK. I'll tell you why right now, right? So we got this wick, right? Right here, lining up with the price action on Fridays. And on the daily, this line that I just did, this alert level, it's like 50% of the day's move. So that's the reason why I'm taking that level to see if it's really gonna bounce or not. So, 50% of the daily candle, if it holds that, has more potential to go up. So let's see what happens. This is halfway of that trading channel on the day. And that's the resistance turn support of that wick. And I know this wick, this area is valid because look at the price action on Friday. It was basically basing off of the top of this area on the price candle. So that's why I'm taking it. Just taking what I realized as soon as possible. Yeah, that definitely caught my attention as soon as I opened the chart. So that one I like Humana, right? I think I have Humana. Yeah, I do have Humana. And no one noticed. No one noticed. Right? NBO. Come on, that's it. And that's it, game. Everything. So what we got here? What we got here? What we got? Humana. Oh, Humana looks like a swing. Oh yeah. The tweezer bottom daily. I like it. I like it. I like this tweezer bottom, guys. Let's do this. Put an alert over here. Like that tweezer bottom build. I like the RSI. Mac, not too good, but it's still green. And we look like we trying to pick up from the negative deep side because it was deeply negative, the Mac, but now it's trying to crawl up. So I'm gonna take this double bottom like it looks. Looks like a perfect double bottom for Humana to start bouncing. So if this really happens, definitely should go at least to 360 without a doubt, hopefully. On Humana. All right, NVO. Eli Lilly's brother or sister or whatever you want to do, call it. But these two are like very, very, very similar. This drug weight loss nonsense. Take a pill, pop a needle, you lose weight. What this world is coming to. All right, so we're gonna, yeah, it looks good. Damn. Friday was the fire entry day, in my opinion. I got a feeling by the end of the week, we're gonna see this bad boy like up here. And the reason I'm saying that is because the RSI already pivoted off a 10 change. So that's good. And then the strength of that candle breaking that big resistance, that macro resistance right here. There's no reason why this should drop, in my opinion. And it's a green candle on that resistance area. Yeah, I know how I feel about power candles towards resistance area. You know, good chance it could go with all these things lining up, the RSI, the MAC, you know? So, and the MAC already had 1, 2, 3, like 5 to 6 days that was red. So the bulls could start pushing this higher, definitely. So I would just watch the break a higher NVO, right? Let's do 125.15. They have a great ATR, so I don't really think it matters. If you wait a couple more cents after that, I don't think it does. So you good. And last but not least, I got Expedia. I want to know why this caught my attention. Man, there's a big gap fill, bro. Oh man, it's not a pretty chart, but phew. Oh, this looks like, yeah, I'll watch this one. Let's see how strong that Mac is gonna do. Let's see how strong. I'm gonna do 139.10 crack. I'll go for the 140 calls. It's a big gap we got right here, and it's obviously already dancing in there. So that should bring, if that breaks, we're going at least to, let me see, what's this? 139? Yeah, 140 at least. 140.30 maybe. Alright. Alright, yeah, that's all I got for tonight. Sorry I'm late again. Let me know if y'all want me to talk about any tickers.
Yo,
Yo, yo.
MCHP Broski microchip. It's gonna be a lot of the lagging semiconductor stuff.
On my list, Cipher.
Hell yeah, baby.
3 days, yeah, still looks good. Oh gosh. I watch this level to see if it rips.
Yeah, I'm thinking about how them 95s do for the week, maybe even 90s.
Yeah, I like it.
And I know I think Dash, Costco, and Spotify all hit 52-week highs.
Which one?
Dash, Costco, and Spotify.
Dash, Costco, and Spot.
Just real quick benches, that's all.
Okay, you can try to change the one. Yeah, Costco. They got earnings too, bro.
Might be able to play that right now. What day is earnings again? On Wednesday? Oh, I'm bugging. We can't play that right now.
Thursday, after hours. Nah,
Yeah, bro. I think they're gonna hit 800 by the end of the week. Costco, come on, man. That's minimum what I spend when I go there.
yeah, crazy.
They were just 400 too, like 6 months ago.
Yeah, everything is just bouncing off the nine. Crazy. It's insane.
Yeah,
Alright.
nice
So,
day.
so is Dash. Dash. Great. Hell yeah, Dash. Cause that always get the Dash so crazy. Dash is a little better than Costco. Oh, the other one Spot. Spot is another one just bouncing off the nine. Crazy, bro. Oh my God.
Nami, you got AXP on your list too, bro?
No,
Mm.
probably too hot for me.
Yo, I got Docu.
Oh,
You trying to doc? Wait, what?
Got earnings coming up this week too. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. It looks fire on the daily.
it's recorded.
It's recorded. This thing is funny. But damn, good eye on DocuSign. Yeah, you got a name. You know what's crazy? I thought we was gonna rip from here. I think this is the day I got in. I got smoked on this candle. And now I'll try to time that double bottom, but this might be it, bro. You cross the
Inverse,
line,
bro.
2150, all a nice spider web right there. Golden cross.
Yeah,
Leonidas is on it too, bro.
Yeah, Doc looks right. High watch.
yeah. I heard New York niggas call it OcuSign.
Fire. Let me see
And
them.
then I had Foot Locker. I was gonna say, bro, would Nike be a good sympathy play? Because they are drilling Nike. That red candle.
Hell yeah.
If Foot Locker comes in and does it, fucking Nike's gonna bounce, right?
I feel like DKS would be a really good sympathy too.
Yeah, ripping, bro. I saw that chart too. It's up, up.
Walking dicks.
It's up like a
But I
erection.
guess they're protesting
Ripping
Nike
dicks.
still.
Nike
I think
look.
Nike's part of the protest.
Just a little bit more, bro. Nike can come back down to demand.
Yeah,
$100.
I will watch
Buy it.
Nike over here around 101, right on the $100 marker would be my radar.
And
Okay.
I got one more just because I'm loving the energy sector, and you already know what I'm gonna call out.
Yeah.
Mhm.
That shit is crazy.
Wow.
Mhm.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, there's another one that just popped. Yeah, this should bounce high.
Yeah. This thing's gonna break the macro flag.
Yep.
DVN too, bro. DVN looks interesting to me. That was another one I was looking at. I think Dominion's getting murdered.
I think it's gonna go to
So
1550.
energy's like split or energy
It looks
sector.
like it. It looks like it to me because the sector is doing great.
Some are choppy.
Yeah, some are
Some are
choppy,
breaking
some
out.
are not. Yeah.
Yeah, some are choppy, some are breaking out. The leaders are shitty. CVX and ZOM. I don't
Mhm.
know. I'm at Halliburton right now.
Mhm.
Gotcha. DVN is gonna squeeze, bro. You see all the
MI
red
looks good. MRO looks good. Nine looks good. Oxy looks good. Oxy across on the daily.
thanks, bro.
I'll tell you my looks real quick.
Mm.
Oh, okay. Cup and handling. Ooh, look at that alligator mouth. Okay. I'm gonna watch this sucker.
Was that energy?
Yeah, Kinder Morgan.
Yeah. KMI.
Mm.
Yeah, KMI looks good. SLB looks good.
What about PCG?
That's only like more utilities, but those have been doing good. I said my
Yeah,
did all.
the utility sector at XLU looks great as a whole as well.
Yeah.
Looks like it's coming in for a bounce.
Interesting, this one. It's a lot of wick on the bottom of this trading. Okay. What a mess. All the EMAs are here. Yeah. You gotta be patient with this, but it is at a bottom. It's at a bottom price. It's not like it's at the top, so I'll just put an alert just to be safe. All right. All right, all right. We got some names.
Hey Cam, I got one for you. It's got earnings tomorrow. Wish. I'm already in a swing. It's holding the gap up. And the gap up was not on earnings. It was just on, I don't know what it was on. There was a massive gap up in it. It's holding it into earnings tomorrow
We're
night.
gonna get it off a Wish.
Mhm.
I'm in it right now, holding that gap level.
Damn, you're in it right now.
Mhm.
You're right, man. He's making a wish.
Yeah.
I like Wish, bro. Wish looks fire.
Yeah.
Yo, JD has earnings soon too.
That's that volume
I was
too.
gonna talk about. I was gonna talk about China, but okay, you know what? Fuck
We
it.
don't trust China.
Trust
Yeah,
China.
XF, huh?
But yeah, wow, yeah, that one is China. I almost forget that that one is China because I got it in vehicles. Oh, fucking yeah, man. I was gonna talk about China because I had played Futu on when was the day that I was on Zoom late? I think it was Monday. Yeah, Monday.
It was like
Yeah,
Monday or
Monday.
Tuesday.
I had played Futu 51 calls, and then I look at Friday, Futu's at freaking $56.
Hmm.
So I was like, oh man, should I fucking talk about China?
Insane, bro. Let me
That's
get your sponsors,
insane.
bro. I'll pay you.
It's
He
crazy.
said, "I'll pay."
But I watch how it moves. I mean, the only ones that I will move that we know move crazy will be like Baba, you know, if China's gonna finally trying to recover. I would just say watch Baba, Baidu, Futu, of course. TSM was one that I think climbing the reason that ripped it was, I think, a combination of both. The semis and China was slowly moving up the whole week. So yeah, that's why
Bro, I seen the
TSM ripped.
move after hours when the Chinese market's open, bro. It was
Yeah. I was shocked
crazy.
because I'm over here telling you, yo, 135 next week look good, and then 135 hits the next day. I was like, what the hell? So it's like
Yo,
I was
yeah.
kind of surprised. I was like, shit, I expected that price to hit next week, not tomorrow. So I'll watch those like 3 to 4 names that I know move hard on the Chinese side, like, and that'll be it. But I don't know about Neo or Tall or IQ. Like, I don't think those are worth watching. I'd rather get the high better names with the higher ATR. Those are better ones in my opinion. So if they stand out, I'll see it. Trust me.
For sure.
Yeah. All right, we straight. All right, we
I think we
straight.
straight, bro. Appreciate you
Like an
always.
era, bro.
All right.
Like an arrow.
All right, man.
Thanks. Good
Keep
luck,
killing it,
y'all.
y'all killing it, man. I'm proud of y'all. Y'all doing your thing. I know I'm not
Likewise.
always there, but I'm always watching.
Yo. The PLTR news didn't drop on Friday, right?
Yeah, so SMCI beat PLTR in the NASDAQ or in the SPY.
Fuckers. What about you?
Wow.
They
You
fucked
already-
it, bro. They
gonna
fucked
be
it.
hammering the $1,500 calls this week. I'm gonna look at how much the 1200s open up at. They're probably gonna be like a dub each, which is like 2 racks each. So I'm gonna look at the 1500s. They close around 25 cents to 29. They're probably gonna open up at, I don't know, $1.50, $2 some more. So
Damn.
let's see.
Yeah,
I
I
could be
did see SMCI after. I remember y'all spoke about it. Yep.
Yeah, so
We
that
should have
S&P,
known, bro. PLTR is way too low to be induced in the SPY.
yeah. I mean, it's all good though. PLTRs definitely have a bright future ahead of it until it crashes.
We killed it though. We fucking killed it.
Yeah, that was a nice buy the rumor, sell the news type shit. So
Yeah, hell yeah, for
guys,
sure.
biggest watch tomorrow, gang, along with AMD and then Amazon and Meta breakouts. So we'll talk more, but I'll be at the office bright and early. It's audit week, baby. So once I get these crackers out my hair, bro, we'll be good.
Fire. All right.
Get them crackers out of your hair, bro.
I'm taking Thursday off too. I'll be with you guys all day Thursday.
Fire. Nice. I mean,
Yeah.
look forward to
All right,
that.
y'all.
See ya in the
You
morning,
too.
man. Have a good night.
All right,
All
guys.
right. Peace,
All
yo.
right. Easy.
Bye.